maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din kay Pin Antonio ng Salon de Manila.
Yes.
At of course, Skechers Time and to the Gloss Nail Spa. At belated happy birthday sa aking bunsong kapatid na si Ninya.
Ninya, oh Ninya. Hi, happy
Belated happy
birthday.
birthday.
Ayan. Nadine and Asunta, kayong nagkita ngayon sa ating Jack Padron. Kamusta naman?
Ito feeling ko ang tanda ko.
Hindi Hindi
Bakit ba?
Ayaw, hindi.
Hindi. Ganda-ganda ni Asunta eh. And of course, si Nadine.
Medyo nilinervous po, pero okay lang. Enjoy naman naman tayo.
Si Nadine kasi parang ngayon lang siya naglaro eh. Kaya next time ko na-nervous eh. Eh si Asunta naman, nakita na niya yung boy pa. But anyway, good luck sa inyo dalawa. Basta one of you can win 1 million pesos. This is the final countdown. It's the final
What is that?
Kaya promote ko lang yung love triangle nung...
There's
You're there.
Thank you, Daddy Mel. At dahil 1 million nga po pinaglalabanan, meron tayong 7 categories.
That's right, mga kaibigan. Kada wastong lyrics, 20,000 pesos. Pero pag may nakaapat na tamang sagot 4 out of 7, panalo na ng 1 million pesos.
At kung hindi naman na makuha ang isang milyon, ang mananalo pa rin ngayon ay babalik bukas at ang ating defending champions.
Pero siguro para malaman natin kung sino ang unang sasagot, sisimulan muna natin sa manuhan.
Good luck, ladies. Here we go.
Ang una nating pahuhulaan, ang kanyang initials ay CD. First clue.
Canadian singer na ang mga kanta ay laging ginagawang pyesa sa mga singing contest.
Yes, Asunta.
Celine Dion.
Celine Dion.
What's on you?
Ayan, mabanggit natin meron tayong 7 categories. Then, dyan ang 90s,
Collaboration,
band,
rap,
ego,
dance.
emo.
Band.
Mula sa category na band, 2004, Sugar Free, Hari ng Sablay. Ako ang hari ng sablay. Ako ang hari ng sablay. Hindi makasabay. Sabay sa hangin ng
Ang aking buhay.
wow! How good are you?
20,000 pesos!
Oh,
Wow!
galing ah.
Asunta, masyado mo akong pinabibili ba?
Ginugulat mo kami.
Tapos pag nakaupo ka, parang wala lang. Parang tahimik ka lang. Alright, ikaw pa rin ang pipili ng ating category.
Okay, emo.
Mula sa category emo. 1971. Helen Reddy. I don't know how to love any. Oh.
He's a man. He's just a man. And I've had so many more in very many ways. He's just one more. Should I bring him down? Should I? I don't know.
Try natin si Nadine.
Oh,
Try
baka.
natin. Nadine, sing song. Oh.
He's a man. He's just a man. And I've had so many more in very many ways. He's just one more. Should I bring him down? Should I? Let him fall.
Alright, ang wastong lyrics ay Scream and Shout. Balik po tayo sa manuhan.
Ito ang initials naman niya ay E.G.
E.G. First clue. Teen heartthrob na tinatawag na doggy. He. Sige.
Enrique Hill.
Tutuloy ko lang, Doggy King and King of the Hill. Ang sagot mo, Enrique Hill. What's on you? Alright, choose a category, please.
Bread. Mula sa category na bread. 1976. Bread. Lost without your love.
Okay. Oh.
And all I want is just the way it used to be. With you here close to me, and I've gone to make you see. Lost without love, life without you is a burden of trouble. And I was helpless.
Like a ship without a wheel. Oh no.
Nadine?
Sing song.
And all I want is just the way it used to be. With you here close to me, and I've gone to make you see. Lost without love, life without you is a burden of trouble. And I was helpless.
Hindi ko po alam.
Actually, a song.
Nakakainis yung Asunta talaga.
Bakit? Ano na yun?
Alam mo,
What happened?
Konti.
kala ko nakuha mo eh. Ang Boston lyrics ay,
As a
shit.
without a wheel.
Sabi mo like a shit.
Oo, nasabi mo lang.
Galing.
Ako na kasi.
Stick na. Balik tayo sa kanuhan.
Yes. Para naman sa manuhan, ang initials niya ay JS. First clue.
International artist na kapangalan ng isang female broadcaster na may apelidong Soho.
Yes, Asunta.
Jessica Sanchez.
Jessica Sanchez. What's on you? Alright, choose a category, please.
Collaboration.
Mula sa category collaboration. 2013, A Great Big World and Christina Aguilera. Say something.
Say something, I'll give it up for you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I say something.
Baby, I don't...
Oh. Try natin si Nadine. Nadine, say song.
Say something, I'll give it up for you. And I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. And anywhere I follow you. Say something.
I'm giving up on you.
Nako, 20,000 pesos. Pareho kasi lang 20,000 pesos. Please choose a category.
90s.
Mula sa category na 90s. 1999. Mojo Fly. Another Day.
1, 2, 3.
I'll wait another day. I'll wait another day. The morning awaits me. I need a special plan. It's very simple task. Hindi ko po alam.
Baka alam ito ni Asunta. Asunta Cesar!
I'll wait another day. I'll wait another day. Morning awaits me. I need a special plan. It's very simple task to be beautiful. Hindi ko na.